Hello everybody, let's read one poem. First you read one time and then see you can understand the meaning or not. Mr. Nobody. I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Let's see the one by one meaning. I know a funny little man. Here, funny not mean that it's a person. By looking at him, we will feel smiling, or we will smile at that person. That kind of, it's not like that. Funny mean peculiar, very different kind of person. I know a funny little man, and he is very small, very little. That's why he can come as quiet as a mouse. He enter our house very quietly. Quiet mean without making any noise, secretly. He is so small that he can enter our house without making any noise. And he is very peculiar, very different kind of person. Who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house? And that funny, small, peculiar person does all the mischiefs, all the bad things. Mischief means harm or trouble caused by someone. Playful misbehavior, what our children are doing. The small mistake, that is called mischief. So whatever mischiefs are there at our home, that is done only by that person, that Mr. Nobody. He is very small and very peculiar type. He can enter our house without making any sound. But after entering our house, he does all kind of mischiefs. There is no one ever sees his face. But this is a person who is doing all kind of mischief at our house, like breaking the plate, eating the ice cream from the fridge, tearing the page from the notebook, so many different kind of mischiefs. But that person face nobody has seen. If somebody asks you what kind of person he is, how he looks like, you will say, no, I didn't see that man. So there is no one ever sees his face. And yet, even though we never have seen him, but yet we all agree. We all agree in one point. What is that? That every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Whatever the plate, here not plate actually, here means all kind of mischiefs. Maybe your mom went outside by keeping some ice cream or sweets at the fridge. When she will return, by the time things finished. After coming, she will ask, who ate that one? You will say, I didn't eat. Sister will say, I didn't eat. So who ate that one? Both will say, maybe somebody came, very silently, quietly. And that may be somebody, that is Mr. Nobody. So here, every plate we break, whatever the mischiefs we are doing, we are breaking the plate, we are breaking the vessels, utensils, cup, dish, tearing the page, spilling water, or breaking any showpiece, whatever mischiefs we are doing, what we do, immediately we put on the blame on somebody. And that also not our known person, unknown person, whom nobody has seen even. That will be easy, because if you say my sister has done, immediately your mom will go and ask your sister. Sister will say, no, I didn't do that one. So what you do, very cleverly you put the blame on somebody else. And that person, you say, that person is very small one. He entered our house very silently. Nobody has seen him. So how you will question that person? And that person is called Mr. Nobody. Crack mean break without a complete separation of the parts. It means all the bad things initiated by the Mr. Nobody. Not only initiated, done by Mr. Nobody. All the mischiefs, you will put the blame of all the mischief on that person. That person is Mr. Nobody. This is the meaning of the poem. I hope you understood. Thank you.